Here we have a 68 plate BMW 340i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. We do have the 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Australian blue metallic paintwork, the LED headlights. Coming around to the front, you can see the gloss black front kinder grills and also the front splitter as well, which is part of the M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. On the roof you'll find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler as well on the tailgate. Here's a closer look at another alloy wheel, as you can see again unmarked, and we do have the mud flaps as well. Front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and also a reversing camera. And coming around to the rear, you see the rear diffuser and the dual exhaust. If we just open up the boot, you can see we do have the camera underneath there. But opening up the boot just like so, you can see we have a decent amount of space. We have the storage nets inside of here as well, quite a decent amount of space. Handle underneath here so we can pull the boot back down. And walking back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look then at the interior now, inside of the back, the full black leather interior, affordable armrests in the centre. We also have fixed ISO points as well back here. We've got the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, blue trim on the doors and also the electric windows. Taking a look at the front, you find the same black leather interior. Both front seats are heated. There's a look at them. We do have the electric mirrors and electric windows, which are locked for the rear. Automatic lights just down here. If we just take a seat inside, then you'll find the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. We've got the cruise control and speedometer just here. Steering wheel is also heated. We've got the button just there to turn it on or off. And we do have the climate control as well in the centre, heated seats either side. Ice cold air conditioning. We've got the main screen here in the centre. If it's flickering, it's just the camera. It's not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. Many features on there you would have seen on these photos with all the shortcuts down here. So click onto the media, then you find we have the radio stations. We also have the other media options here on the left hand side, which you can scroll through. Got the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for making phone calls. We do also have the automatic gearbox, of course, with the different drive modes just here. Again, you would have seen on the photos. We do also have the cup holders and the 12-volt connectivity, the manual handbrake, and then also the armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 340i M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, now to fight the steering wheel to keep it a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated. We've got the button just down here to activate the heated steering wheel. Paddle shifters at either side. If you want to stick the car into manual mode, simply tap all the paddles and it will change gear. We've got the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, with the volume buttons and Bluetooth phone connectivity on the right. We also have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard. It can display different trip information. If you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we also have the full leather interior throughout the vehicle, really comfortable seats, easy to do 2 or 3, moving 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we do have many more features on the interior of this vehicle. We've got the main screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav, but also has many more features you would have seen on the photos. Now that ding was just about the fuel, so nothing to worry about. We do have the dual zone climate control just down here. It has the ice cold air conditioning as well, which is perfect for the hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now we are about to take a right hand turn, so if we put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow down and we'll wait for the cars to go past before making the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So make the right hand turn and then perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes put the car into reverse, reversing camera appears on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.